Have you ever felt that pull towards something bigger than yourself? That mysterious cosmic energy humming at ancient holy sites around the world? Well, stick with me because we're diving into that right now. And it all starts with astronomy. Trust me, this is going to blow your mind and maybe even reshape how you see everything. Let's talk about your worldview for a second. You know, that mental purse you carry around stuffed with your biases, your beliefs, your politics. It's a messy mix, right? Things don't always fit together neatly, and if you really examined it, you might be shocked. I studied philosophy first, and let me tell you, astronomy became my secret weapon for making sense of it all. It's not perfect, but it's this elegant framework that ties everything together. Now think about the story we've all been sold on. Everything kicked off with something simple like the Big Bang or the biblical story of Adam and Eve, and boom, steady progress to where we are today. Things just keep getting better, with maybe a few hiccups along the way. One step back, two forward, that kind of thing. But if you dig into the real histories and myths of people who've walked this earth, it's not linear at all. There are cycles of utter destruction. Picture this: entire islands swallowed by earthquakes, tsunamis wiping out civilizations, volcanoes burying everything. Yet a handful of people always survive to start over a new society from the beginning. Take the ancient Chaldeans from southern Mesopotamia. They spoke of Earth being ravaged by fire and flood. And how about the Hopi Native American tribe? They're on another level, even more profound than the Vedics of ancient India or Chaldeans. Their view nails it. Everything in our world runs in elemental cycles: moist, hot, dry, cold. Look at your day. Morning dew brings moisture, midday heats up, afternoon dries out, and night chills you to the bone. The moon's phases, same deal. New moon to first quarter is moist, first quarter to full is hot, full to last quarter dry, and the end is cold. Seasons follow suit: spring's wet awakening, summer's blaze, autumn's crisp dryness, winter's icy grip. The Hopi weave this into their origin stories. The world was destroyed 4 times by these elements: water, fire, drought, and ice. Incredible, huh? These simple Native Americans had insights that rival even the Egyptians. The Greek poet Hesiod summed it up perfectly. The universe begins in chaos. Chaos births darkness and night, and together they create the day. Sound familiar? It's echoed in the book of Genesis, where God separates the light from darkness. And here's the kicker: this all circles back to astronomy. It's the foundation of these myths, these cycles, these profound truths. So imagine your own world has crumbled, civilization gone. What do you do next? You, yes, you, might step up as that bold survivor and say, "Hey, I know a bit about the stars. We need to get time sorted out if we're planting crops, hunting, or fishing and starting a civilization again." You'd find a hill, stick a pole in the ground, and watch the sun's path over the year, track it south to the winter solstice, bam, mark that spot. Then north to the summer solstice, another marker. Suddenly you've built an observatory, a powerhouse of knowledge. It doesn't just tell time, it sparks festivals. Winter solstice for renewal, equinoxes for balance, summer solstice for peak energy. We still feel it today: Christmas around the winter solstice, Easter tied to the spring equinox and full moon. Jewish New Year kicks off near the autumn equinox with the new moon. From ruins, you've got a calendar, celebrations, a sense of order, and suddenly things in your society are looking up. But wait, astronomy goes way deeper. It shapes our spaces, our societies, even our very identities. This is only the beginning. If this resonated with you, drop me some questions or comments, and thank you for supporting the channel and subscribing to help keep this research going. Join me in part 2. Explore how the stars map our land and link us to the divine. Stay curious. I'll see you in the next part.